Hi everyone, I am Lal Ranjit Topata, astrologer and English teacher. I am going to make a prediction regarding the future prospect of this country through astrology. And especially I want to make a prediction regarding your private life as well. We know that we have been facing a very crisis situation since the pandemic era erupted. Apart from that, we have our day-to-day life economic issues. Now, one by one, I am going to tell you. Disgruntled and discontented parties will continue their agitation campaign. Government will enact oppressive laws to control the situation, and our export will fall further, and our remittances as also will remittances income also will further will be at a low level, and I suppose that agriculture will be affected adversely, and there will be a chaotic and confusion state in the proceedings of the parliament also. Now at this moment it is prorogued until January by a special gazette notification by His Excellency Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Parliament will resume their work, but there will be a lot of interruptions. And cost of living is going up by leaps and bounds. This escalation of price cannot be stopped. How and what manner it will be affecting to us? Some might say that COVID-19 special guidelines were imposed. There were restrictions for business and the movement of people. I don't agree with that completely. The nearby country Bangladesh is one of the country which was under abject poverty some time ago. Today they are flourishing and prospering. They are the people who are giving us money. Our politicians are borrowing money from them. So we would like to tell them something regarding Lagna in brief. Aries at this time, Saturn in the 11th, very good, and Jupiter in the 11th position and Saturn in the 10th position, and their Lagna Adhipati also in 9th, 10th, 11th position in the coming 3 months. This Lagna results and the results of the country will be giving only up to the 31st of March 2022. The second part will be given soon. Remember, Aries people will be benefited to a certain level because their majority of the planets are in favorable positions. Taurus Lagna at this time, Saturn moving in the 9th, very good. They are Yoga Karaka, confer of wealth and reputation. But they have some disturbances as in the Lagna, Rahu and Ketu in the 7th. There will be problem in the married life. If there is if they are waiting for a marriage, it will take some time. Gemini Lagna people since 2018 they have been undergoing a severe Airashtaka. There were disruptions. They were under a bout of depression. This will continue for another couple of months up to the 31st of March. Therefore, they will have to be very careful. But if you are a perseverant type of person, if you are migrating to some other country, results will be changed. Kataka Lagna people, Saturn in the 7th, aspecting the Lagna, and the Jupiter in the 8th, and Rahu in the 12th position. There will be moderate results. We can't say very, very good results. After the 31st of next year, they will be enjoying some good results to a certain extent. But through their perseverance, they can make a change. Leo people are now benefited after a long period, after a hard struggle. They have been going on trial and tribulation situations. Now they are coming out of their difficulties. Soon they will have a better lifestyle. They will be able to maintain their lifestyle. They are very hardworking. They are committed to follow their policies. They will have a better life during the first 3 months of the year, provided your planets are powerful by birth. You must keep it in mind. Kanya Lagna people's case, the unfortunate incident is Jupiter is in the 6th. It should not be happening. So the first quarter of the 3 months, they have problems in the domestic sphere. Marriage life also, there will be certain disputes, disagreements with the partner if you are married, if you are not married, if you are waiting to get married, there also can be troubles. So we'll have to be very cautious and be careful. Libra. Libra people are very lucky people. We call Tula Lagna. Jupiter is moving in the fifth position. Usually Jupiter does not give them very good results. They are not a friend of Lagnadipati. But Saturn in the fourth is the worst position at this time. Saturn will be moving away after 31st of March. So till the 31st of March next year, they are enjoying moderate results. Through their perseverance, they can make a change. Scorpio. Scorpio means Ushchika. Now they are Lagna. I understand. We'll have some kind of a change in the country because the number of political leaders come under this sign. They are very perseverant type of people. They are very magnetic. They have a charismatic leadership. Whatever it is, Jupiter moving in the fourth position, not very good. They have mental worries, depression. Through a hard struggle, they will be able to achieve their good results. Sagittarius. Sagittarius means Danu. Now I of course agree that worst condition is for Sagittarius for the last 2 years. It will be continuing up to the 31st of next year because Saturn in the second, Jupiter of course at this time also third place, they are not favorable places. Therefore, Sagittarius people's monetary issues will be cropping up. They will have problems in the marriage life. They will have to be very, very patient. If they exercise patience, they can achieve some results. Capricorn, Makara, they will have some results. By degrees, they are moving towards a goal. Saturn, Lagnadipati in the Lagna. They are Jupiter in the second. But usually Jupiter is not a friend of Lagnadipati. Therefore, they are enjoying moderate results. Out of all Lagna, these days, up to the 31st of March, they will have some good results. Kumbha. Kumbha Lagna people, Saturn at this time in the 12th position. Therefore, Lagnadipati's movement in the 12th position cause a number of issues and mental worries, higher expenditure, and continuous disruptions and interruption for their day-to-day activities. This will be going on till the 31st of March. Though Jupiter in the Lagna, usually according to the dictums and interpretations of astrology, Jupiter is not supposed to be giving good results in the Lagna. Meena Lagna people also very unlucky. They are Lagnadipati this time in the 12th position. Saturn though moving in the 11th, not giving them much results. Until the Jupiter goes to the first, second position, there will be no relief. But through hard work, through perseverance, through patience, they will be able to achieve some results. For the time being, I wind up like this. Thank you.